Good afternoon, folks. I just wanted to start covering a seed that I just received in the mail. It's called the Cacao seed. I got 10 of them. They smell kind of fermenty, so I'm just going to put one in each little pot here, and then I'll put dirt over top of them. Like this, right? Dunk, dunk. A little stinky. Hopefully they sprout. Now it's middle of winter and it'll be cool out, so I'm not sure if they'll sprout right now, but when it starts to warm up or get a little warmer than it is now, I'm thinking that they will. So let's put some dirt on top of them. Now I've just put dirt on top of them, and now I'm going to water them, and that's it. That's all you got to do. Anyhow, I'll keep you updated on the progress of these cacao seedlings, see if they sprout, and if they do, well, we'll have a new story to follow. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.